Hey guys, this is Dr. Herb. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look into some infective form and the diagnostic forms of various protozoa and the diagnostic forms of various protozoa. So the first one is the Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba histolytica. So what is the infective form? The infective form is going to be the mature quadrinucleate cyst. So the quadrinucleate cyst which is present in the diagnostic forms, it includes the trophozoites as well as the quadrinuclear cyst. Next is the Giardia lamblia, we are writing it as GL. The infective form is a quadrinuclear cyst as we mentioned, and the diagnostic form it includes the trophozoites as well as the cyst. Next is the Trichomonas vaginalis, and we are writing it as TV. So here the infective form is the trophozoites. So infective forms is the trophozoites, and the diagnostic form also is the trophozoites. Then the Naegleria fowleri, it is again the trophozoites, and trophozoites in CSF is the diagnostic form. Then acanthamoeba, the trophozoites and the cyst are the infective form. Is the trophozoites and the cyst, and the diagnostic form is the trophozoites and the CSF. Next, moving on to the Leishmania donovani. Leishmania donovani. So Leishmania donovani, the infective form is the promastigate. So promastigate is the infective form. This is in case of Leishmania donovani, it is known as the LD. So what is the diagnostic form here? The diagnostic form will be so promastigate is the infective form of Leishmania donovani. So the diagnostic form is the amastigate. Mastigote in the macrophages. So you have the promastigote as well as amastigote. Promastigote is the infective form of the Leishmania donovani, and the diagnostic form is the amastigote. Next, the Trypanosoma cruzi. So here in cruzi, the infective form will be the metacyclic trypomastigote. So metacyclic trypomastigote. So metacyclic trypomastigote is the infective form. So the diagnostic form is the trypomastigote is the diagnostic form. Next is the Trypanosoma brucei. So metastatic trypanomastigote is the similar one. The metacyclic trypanomastigote will be the infective form. The diagnostic form is going to be the trypanomastigote. Then Balantidium coli, we are writing it as BC. Balantidium coli. Here it is the cyst which acts as an infective as well as a diagnostic form. Then moving on to the Plasmodium species, we have the Plasmodium species. So here in Plasmodium species there is a sporozoites. So they are the infective form, the diagnostic form being the schizoid, immature trophozoites, as well as the gametocyte. Next is the Babesia. So Babesia species, it includes the sporozoites as well as the Maltese cross form. So what is the Maltese cross form? It is the diagnostic form. Next, moving on to the Toxoplasma gondii. The Toxoplasma gondii, it has the infective form as all morphological forms as the oocyst, it is the oocyst. Then it has the tachyzoid as well as presence of the bradyzoid. So the oocyst, tachyzoid and the bradyzoid all are forms of the infective form. Then looking at the diagnostic form, what do we have? In diagnostic form, there is the trachyzoids, the tissue cyst. So the trachyzoids and the tissue cysts are present. Next, moving on to the Cryptosporidium parvum. So what is present in the Cryptosporidium parvum? It includes the sporulated oocyst, and the diagnostic form is the unsporulated oocyst. Now, what about the Isospora belli? Isospora belli, the diagnostic form is the infective form is the sporulated oocyst. The diagnostic infective was the sporulated oocyst. The diagnostic form is the unsporulated oocyst. It is very similar to that of the Cyclospora cayetanensis. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.